Oh, what's happening, Bitcoin? I thought I'd cover this. I'm hoping we just take these lows. Nice. Straight into the 618. All right, I would guess this is probably just capitulation going on now. I still think we probably bounce here. But it's just a good time to be yeah, don't be too exposed right now again. I just in case, yeah, better just to see what happens. If we reclaim at the moment this daily level, then that looks okay to me. So to be honest, I think we've just taken all these lows. So let's see how it goes. I'd imagine this was just a news event generated to create these liquidations, just to take all of these stops. Yeah, let's just have a look. Let me go on to Twitter. Because I actually haven't had a look at the news. So Vitalik is trending in the UK. Tesla. What's actually happened? Oh, it kills my internet when I do this. Right. Okay, so yeah, so it's genuine. Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We're concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. Meh. Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has a promising future, but this cannot come at a great cost to the environment. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. We are also looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy transaction. Doge! Wait, what is Ethereum going proof of stake? There we go. This is what's going to pump on the news. Yeah, let's just watch this for a while, because I think this isn't just going to quickly reverse off of a news event like this. It's clearly planned. We're at support. I I really hope we just come down here. If we can get 51,500, I'll probably buy the dip. Where are my daily levels at? Damn, I need to get my levels back on the chart. Here we go. This daily. Where did Litecoin go? I think, you know what? Let's buy some spot, because it does seem like a good little buy the dip. I do have some USDT on the side, ready to pick up some stuff. Okay. ETH BTC. Well, that's the thing. Like, yeah, it's liquidations, isn't it? Get those liquidations and bounce. Yeah, at least I got my short hit target. Cool. So that was a really nice short earlier on today, just from here. Back down to here. I can't even remember why I had those levels set, but they're there for a reason. ETH. Nice. No, I don't want to buy any ETH. How's Litecoin doing? Litecoin I was interested in buying, and Link. Link's held up nicely. Yeah, that looks good. This is a little bit I would have been stopped out. We never actually got this trade because it never reclaimed it. So good job we never reclaimed it, otherwise I would have taken this trade. But again, to be honest, Litecoin looks nice. It's taken all of this. Litecoin. Do I want to buy a bit of Litecoin? Why not? Why not? Yeah, we've hit the 6-1. I do think we might come down further, but the fact that alts are bouncing really nicely here. I need to check my Binance trades as well. As soon as I saw that, I did, like, that's the thing, you reduce exposure when it comes up here, just to be safe. But everything I've got as a trade is still, yeah, that's all right. I'm still green. Thanks to RV. Oh, that's why I'm green on this. Nice. Cardano. Alts don't give a shit. Alts could not care less about this move. They are going. EOS. Do I close my EOS short? Sorry, everyone. I'll get to questions in a minute. I am just managing trades right now. I thought I'd stream. I've just got my phone here, and I'm just figuring out what I want to do with all my trades. That's fine. That's a good short. I think I'm happy to close EOS here. Like, it's back onto this. All right, we're gonna get volatility. That's really nice profit on EOS. So I can close that one. Come on. Positions. Yeah, you know what? I'm probably gonna Link. I am holding. Yeah, that's okay. Dot's up on the day still. That's fine. Just moved my stop loss into profit there, so I bought Dot on this daily. I will get to everybody soon. Cardano is fine. I bought Cardano earlier on today. BNB short. I mean, I'd like to hold the BNB short. Let's take profit on it. Okay, taken profit on BNB short, but I'm still holding the short position because unless it breaks through this whole area, so unless it breaks all the way through here, 0.0122 area, I'm happy to hold that as a short position. Thanks to Bitcoin dumping, I've still got profit on this, even though it's not worked out too well. We've got like a wedge and then a wedge. A wedge. And then a wedge. Boom, boom. So maybe I can just move this to here. Do this. Do this. Oh, it would be really nice if it does hit the 1618. BZRX is up on the day. Nice. Still going up on the day. Good stuff. On BTC pair anyway. Came back into our 4-hour support. BZRX looks really nice. RSR. I've got so many trades. There's only a couple that are slightly in the red right now, so that is fine for me. Like everything is like right on the edge. I will get back to the Bitcoin charts in just a minute. I just realized we've got 70 viewers, so there's probably quite a few people who haven't watched me before, and you're like, what the fuck is going on here? Why is this guy just talking about trades he's got open? I will cover the Bitcoin chart in a minute. I think we're probably just hanging out down at this 618 area right now. Sorry. Okay. RSR. No, BZRX, that's what I'm looking at. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, what? Oh no, I got stopped out of this somehow. I must have put it into profit. You know what? That's probably okay that I got stopped out of this. Because I do want to chill out on a few things now. Okay, so that's positions managed. Let's watch this. Let's get EXO charts open. Oh, come on. I changed my scale on here earlier, but it's weird not seeing like any prices. Let's just scale lines, scale text. That's it. Let's give it a little bit of color here so I can see where we're actually going. Someone yesterday asked for me to increase the text size of this. I got so many levels. I do not need the previous day stuff. We're not going to need any of this stuff up at the top up here. We're going to need that. We're not going to need that. I got 2 dailies for some reason. There'll be one down there. We're not going to need that. Was that a daily open? Wow. Wow, what a day it's been. Yeah, you know what that'll do. Okay. Volume's not too bad actually. So we've now done. This looks really nice. So if we have A, B, C into our 786, D, 1, 3, yep, that's... So we could go down the 1, 4. If we go 1, basically the 382. That's not bad, you know. It's still just a typical correction right now. Where's that channel I drew? Was this it? No. I drew a channel on yesterday's stream. Oh well, I guess I draw another channel on today's stream. Because we might be in a nice little channel here. Look at that. That's perfect. Like that's actually hit it perfectly. So that's probably just, yeah, possibly just the first bounce. Because we do have that channel. So this is the 1 to, well, it must be the 1 to 1. So we go, and there is our 1 to 1. So we hit the 618 perfectly. We hit the low of the channel perfectly, and we basically hit the 1 to 1. So that's the technical reaction that we've just got now. If we're going to get anything more impulsive and irrational, then that will happen if we do break down below 51.3. We don't want to lose this daily level at this stage. If we can do this, then that would be really nice. Okay, so Twilly, you've just asked what a 1 to 1 is. So a 1 to 1 is basically, so if you take this, so just really simply, this high to this low is exactly the same as this high to this low. So if you take a trend from here to here to here, and you want to do an equal measured move down again, that would take us in to this 1 down here. So it's based off of Fibonacci sometimes as well, but a 1 to 1 is just a simple trend base. So you're looking at like exactly the same move as, so this is the same move, like exactly, basically. And actually, like, if you look at how similar this is with the move down, the bounce, so this and this, and then we've got these lows down here, they've all hit the same technical areas. So they've all come up to the same retracement. So we've had like an ABC, and then an ABC, and then an ABC. So we've done a 3, 3, 3. I'm probably talking gibberish to a lot of you. All right, now let's watch this because we're going to break down further now. So down we come. Let's see if there's the 1 to 1 hit. I don't know if I drew this perfectly. So that now is our 1 to 1 extension that we've just hit. So again, still technical at this stage. We're not, sorry, I'm being an idiot. No, of course the low of the channel will be the 1-to-1. So we're through that. I just didn't draw this correctly. I wasn't sure if I'd not drawn the channel correctly or if I'd not drawn the... Anyway, basically we're in an ABC D correction right now. We do have this daily as the key support below. If we lose this, I'll be looking down towards 48,200 area. I do not think, because of just how major this news is, that we get a bounce straight away. I think this could happen for a few hours and then we'll see what the daily close looks like. I'd say the lowest this is likely to go. So if we do get really, if it does get really crazy here, we'll bounce at 46,500. I'm pretty sure of that. The 21 week EME hasn't been tested at all yet. 200 day. That's a bit low. 100 day. Okay, so we've got our 100 day moving average right here on this daily. So our 100 daily moving average is on this daily level here. So let's see how that goes. I do think we get a bounce off of this daily. Good old bull market FUD. You gotta love a bit of bull market FUD. So this is like, does anyone remember China banning ICOs back in in 2017? This is basically that, isn't it? Tesla stopping Bitcoin payments it's just the same thing. Like China were doing all the ICOs and then they banned them and stopped them. That's when alt season ended, was when China banned the ICOs, but then it would end alt season because they were banning ICOs. Bitcoin capitulated, went down to 3K, and then went up to 7K in like a couple of weeks afterwards. Yeah, I think anyone, yeah, been waiting to invest in Bitcoin. Feel like this is my chance. Yeah. Yeah, if like this is the first kind of, it's crazy, isn't it, that this is all being like, this is the Elon Musk thing right now. So at this stage, let's make this green. Let's make this green, and let's call this swing failure pattern. So if we do come back above here, we will be alerted. So if we do come back above the lows that it's just taken, then we will be alerted of that. Shut up. Stupid. I have to do it on a 5-minute chart because obviously this 15-minute candle has gone below it. Ah, oh, TradingView is so annoying, man. 5. So now actually if we come back above it, then we'll be alerted at this. Hit the daily. Let's just get the daily. Or let's just get back above. And this is like, you got to hold this. So it will have to do something like this, and that's when you'd look to take a long if it can do something like that. Let's lose the channel. Diagonals suck. They're not useful for anything. So we know we've hit the 1-to-1. So that's done. I can lose that from my chart. We know we're in this golden pocket. We know the daily is the 6-6. So we can lose that. We don't care about fibs anymore. We know that that's on this daily level. So the daily is the reference now. We have still these single prints from way back when. Okay. Let's actually watch this. If I can scroll back enough days. So again, I think I probably have a few people watching. Oh, so we've just reclaimed this level. Okay. So we are back above these lows. And now we'll just have to see if it holds. All right, I'm just going to, because there's quite a few people here in the chat that I don't think have been, or maybe have not seen my channel before. So, if anyone would like to join our lovely trading community, then please do join our Discord. Hop over onto our Discord where you can learn to trade with all of us. So let's have a look here. Senti, as always. Great technical analysis from Senti. Senti is one of the legends of the chat. Jaffa is another legend of the chat. Always really good ideas. So if anyone is new to trading, or if anyone would like to become better at trading, then click that link that I've just pinned. Dylan, why everything go down now? So basically, it was always likely. The technicals were telling us that this was going to go down. I was thinking we'd bounce at 55k. We didn't. We've lost that, and then things capitulated. It's the same thing as what happened the other day, is when 57k should have held as support. It didn't. We capitulate. So right now, like, the technical support was up here. As soon as you lose that and you come and back test the technical support back as resistance, you lose that off of a technical level. So the technicals were saying down anyway, but really this is the reason. So Tesla have well, no, not really, it's the reason. They obviously posted this very conveniently here. So yeah, Tesla have said that they're suspending payments for Bitcoin on for their cars. So yeah, simple stuff really. So the technicals said it was going to go down, and then Elon Musk confirmed it and caused a capitulation. So you know Tesla are going to be buying this. Why else would they do it? So yeah. So just think, why else would Tesla say they are suspending all of their Bitcoin payments, but they are not selling their Bitcoin? I wonder who is buying the dip. Yeah, the chart has said we've been going down up since up here. So as soon as we came into our point of control and we got that rejection there, and then we can't reclaim the daily open. So We got our rejection off of the range point of control. We got our rejection then again off of the daily open. In between that, we've had our VWAP that's just been resistance, resistance. Then it failed, and we had our previous day levels, which it tried to hold. So we had our previous day levels here. We had a little bounce off of the point of control. We had a little bounce off the value area low. They didn't work. Could have scalped them, but they didn't work. And this is why you get in and out quickly whenever you are doing your trades. We have taken all of the lows. So we've taken every single one of these major lows. So that has caused stop losses. So anyone who had stop losses placed below any of these lows, they have gone. That would have liquidated anyone who was overexposed at this high. So if we've had a move down today of more than 10%. So basically anyone that's in, well, I think with after the liquidation engine and things, I think anyone in a 5x or more has been liquidated. So yeah. So people should toss BTC for ETH for my sake. Yeah, well, as soon as what do you guys think happens as soon as everyone in the market, all of the new people who have bought Bitcoin and are moving it now over into Ethereum, that short's done. I'm glad I closed my ETH short. So Ethereum's now back at resistance. So this is the short I took earlier, and I took profit down here. So Ethereum is now back at resistance. It looks like we're going to break through that. Yeah, honestly though, I think it would be quite nice if we get one of those Ethereum flipping narratives going on. I wonder how close it is now. So that's through the monthly. That's through the last resistance on the chart. So 0.1 Bitcoin is the next resistance. Unless you take these. I should probably change the title of this video, because a lot of stuff is really green right now. Next resistance on Ethereum is 0.086 Bitcoin. Then we have 0.1 Bitcoin and 0.105 Bitcoin as resistance on Ethereum. It still can't break 420 though, or 4,200. So it still can't break that. So what happens when alts melt upwards and Bitcoin capitulates, and Bitcoin dominance capitulates, and Bitcoin dominance comes down into, not quite there yet, it's 40%. ADA is the future. Is it moving? No, not really. Cardano's coming up here. We all know Cardano's coming up here. Or at least I know Cardano's coming up there. Because I'm in a long. And I know what I'm doing. So Cardano will be up here soon. Where's the magnet? There we go. This is where Cardano's going. I'm saying this just as a bit of fun, but you'd be amazed at how often it's right. Like these levels work. So yeah. EOS still going down. What a surprise. So, but I did take profit. Did I take profit on this, or did I close this one? No, I closed this one. So that's that one done. BNB I just took profit on. I didn't close that one. Dot. Are they still going nicely? What a trade that was. Straight into that. What's moving? KSM, yes. So I'm in a KSM long as well. Hands up who saw the stream last night and saw me get into a KSM long here. Oh, I see why people start thinking they are yeah. This has been fun to trade recently. This market's been really fun to trade recently. So everyone, here's my, so I did a stream last night and I took a bunch of trades during that stream last night. And yeah, I'm really happy with how all of those played out today. Yeah, we've got KSM was one of them. RA was another one of them. We took the EOS short. We took an ETH short. Fair enough, that got I had to take profit quickly on that one. Litecoin and Link, we are still in profit on. So that was really nice. But yeah, if we close the daily above, so right now I do think if we can get a daily close back above $53,568.5, then this is going to short squeeze the hell out of everyone. Like I'm pretty confident. Like we've taken these lows. The fact that if this can get a daily close all the way up here again, yeah. Percy, so do we hodl or take loss and be safe? I'm not going to give any financial advice on this. All I do is look at the charts and like have fun trading it. If you're in a losing position right now, then I can't I can't comment on that. We just look at what trade is coming next. So at the moment, I'd say it's at local resistance because we've come back into this low here. So we have gained one. So we've we've reclaimed one of three. This is the third. So if price can come all the way back up here and hold above this daily and get that daily close above it, then I would be bullish again. Right now, I don't know if this is going to fail and go lower because we are at resistance. I don't know if we're going to come up here and fail and go lower because that is resistance. And also we do have bigger support below than where we just hit. So I cannot tell you what to do if you are in a losing trade right now. And even if I did know what you should do if you're in a losing trade right now, I would not tell you because this is not financial advice. But you do see Bitcoin doing this a lot. And usually when it does something like this, it goes back the other way pretty quickly. We're in a bull market. What this has done is got everyone looking at this crappy little head and shoulders that's not really head and shoulders because it's got no neckline. So we do have this, but we have no neckline. You'd want this to be horizontal or upsloping. So if we had a neckline that was doing something like this, then that would be okay. Or if it was doing something like this, then that would be okay. But there's no head and shoulders here for me because of that. Also, the volume doesn't work for head and shoulders because you had an increase of volume in the middle of it. So you would want to see on a head and shoulders volume decreasing, not having this. So I don't think we have that in play. Wow, we've got 147 viewers. Hello, everyone new to the channel. Smash up the likes. Smash up the likes. 33 likes. Let's get this up to, like, we've got 160 people watching this. So we're only at 33 likes. So let's get 100 likes, please. Please, can we get 100 likes? That would be amazing if we can get 100 likes on this video. I realized I don't even have my camera turned on. I was rushing so much that I don't even have my camera turned on. Hello, everybody. I did not even realize that. I was just like a voice on a screen. Yeah. Elon and the banks want your BTC, fool. JP, I feel you. Bought in at 17k, so I'm chilling, not selling anytime soon. Yeah. I've been buying Bitcoin since like low. Since like 1.8k, I think. Portfolios: BTC, VET, VeChain, ZIL, XRP, Atom, Cake, Shiba, BCD. I don't know BCD. ETH, Elong, LTC. I like that. Zilica, I think's doing okay. Atom's okay. I don't really know anything. Like Shiba's ridiculous. Elong, wouldn't touch that. But yeah, fair play. Like I know people have made massive gains on Shiba. So fair play to anyone who has. ETH owner sold most of his SHIB as fella donated 1 billion coins. Ah, so that must be why Vitalik is trending. I didn't even know he held that shit. What? Why have I clicked that? Okay. Ignore that. A minute ago, Vitalik was in this spot, and now there's some stupid sponsored thing here. Capitulation. We love capitulation. Do you expect more downside for BTC? Do I? Do I expect more downside? I don't know if I expect it. I don't. Again, like if price. So this is the thing. If price can hold. If we get a daily close above 53,600, I think we're out of the woods. I think we're okay. I think we'll drop the next day, but I think we're okay. I don't think this low will get taken if we do get that close. If we can hold, if we get a close around where we are now, so in the next 55 minutes, if we get a close above 52,400, then I'm pretty neutral. That's not telling me much. Like, we have come back above these highs, but we've not really shown any strength. Like, this is just like, we're trying. So then I do think we could see a move down. If we get a close below 50, if we get a close below 52k today, then I think we're going much lower. I think we're going down to 49. And that's just based off of a daily close kind of thing. And if you like that kind of thing, that would take us into oversold on the RSI, whatever. I don't care for that, but yeah. And this is what, so because we've got this red histogram going on here, if you're looking for daily divergence now, which is what you have to be looking for, then you've got to be looking at prices below this weekly level. So if you are trading and if you are scared that Bitcoin is falling because of this cross, and I've seen a lot of people saying that this cross has happened, if you are trading based off of that, then price has to come down and take these lows. It has to come below here and get daily closes below it. Otherwise, there will be no divergence and there will be nothing to trade off of this. So at this stage, if you're taking a trade off of this, then you have to be expecting at least 48k. Yeah. And then for this to put in divergence. So a low. So then you'd be making a lower low on price and a higher low on the MACD and the RSI. That's the only way you can trade this right now. So the daily MACD and RSI is telling us that we should be going below $49,000. I don't think that's going to happen. I think we'll get one little thing and it will fake a load of people out and we'll move back up. Like that's what I prefer. I don't think. I think it's very unlikely. Well, it's not very unlikely. It's like my least preferred out of. Well, I don't know how many scenarios there are, but it's not preferred. I don't think it's likely that we come down here, and I don't think it's likely that people that are trading based off of this are gonna get a good trade. This stuff's lagging too far behind price. It's like what happened over here. Like you had that cross back over, and then people, for divergence to form, you have to make a low, a lower, low. Otherwise, you don't get divergence. So we have 4-hour divergence on the MACD. It will need to get a good close on this if yeah, if anything. We've hit this level, which is nice. That's nice. My poor little harmonic's not working anymore. Although, too fast. That. Da, da, da. Da. Maybe this one. Nah, go away. Mics and drinks. Take out your XRP now while you still have a chance. So I think this is like the first time that I've ever felt what it's like to be like a a semi-popular YouTuber. Because we have normies in the chat. Sorry, I don't mean to we have a lot of new people in the chat, which is really nice to see. But that also means that there's a lot of trolling in the chat, and we normally don't get that. So welcome, trolls. Welcome to my channel. It is good to see you. Nope, XRP will literally go parabolic as soon as they win the SEC case, which they will. 4 documents in the whole court case have already been closed. They're about to win. Yawn. So sorry. Like, everyone knows the news is already like priced in and all that stuff. News will be released when the people who want XRP to go up want XRP to go up. That's when they'll release the news. The news won't cause XRP to go up. How markets work. People move the markets. They move it to get your attention. And CRV, yes. CRV's going as well. This is another trade I took last night. Yeah. I'm happy. Oh, that was a great trade. Yay. Oh, I did not buy this dip enough. The three trades, three of the trades I took last night are the 3 biggest winners of the day. I have the top 3 winners of the day. Yeah. Yeah. Did I buy anything else on here? Oh, I also bought Solana. So that's going to come up to the weekly. Did I buy Solana? Or did I trade Solana? Carver. I don't think Carver's doing so well. I did take a Carver trade, and that's a little bit red. Just a little bit red. I don't know why it's a little bit red. Because it is above my entry. Oh yeah, I'm looking at Bitcoin. So yeah, I'm fine. But yeah, my entry was up. Where was it? 4-hour chart. Oh, it was this one, wasn't it? Last night. Yeah, that candle. Yeah, slightly below. So I bought cover when it was around here. Midnight. So it should be back in the green again in a minute. RSR. I'm hoping RSR did come into... No, it didn't even. I really, really want it to come into this weekly level. I just want it to... Just one more bounce and then it can take off. Oh, it did hit the low of the range. That's nice. I'm very, very bullish on RSR. I do think it's a very nice project. Ren, I bought some Ren off of this weekly, so that's doing well. So we took this trade last night. So we're still in profit there, and we've just, again, it's Bitcoin that's doing all of that. Tomo. I bought Tomo. I did not realize I bought Tomo. So I haven't been stopped out on Tomo. That's a positive. Tomo doesn't look so good. That's one of the trades that I'm not winning. It doesn't look very good. I wanted to buy this weekly level and it's just meh, nothing's really happening on it. TRB. I bought TRB. Yeah, that also didn't work out too well. So that's like what? 8 winners, 2 losers. I bought BZRX. I bought Solana. Eight out of 10. Anything else that's not? Yeah, 8 out of 10 in the green. Still, after this drop, that's good. That is good. I'm happy. Is Bitcoin dumping again? Just had another alert. Oh, it's coming down a little bit. Ah, stop it. Okay, yeah, we just came back into that. So hold this level when we're looking at K. Wow, Andre. Power Ledger. Oh, of course. Yeah, if... I remember trading Power Ledger back in 2017 and it was like I was one of the first ever power bulls. Like, I was massively bullish on Power Ledger. I traded this so much back in 2017. Like I got in right at the start. And annoyingly I sold it like here. But yeah. Power Ledger was good fun. Like I remember trading Power Ledger like on the 5-minute chart and just watching it just go up and 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 up. That was so much fun to trade. God, I might buy some again, you know. I used to really like this project. Why did Tesla stop taking Bitcoin? How much effect is it going to have on cryptocurrency? Yes, good for you. You must be short trader. I'm mostly in longs. I've taken 3 shorts in the last day. Bitcoin, no, four shorts. So Bitcoin, I was in a short from the VWAP. So I got in a short on Bitcoin this morning here. So as soon as I woke up, I shorted Bitcoin. Sorry, everyone. I know you hate people that short Bitcoin, but sorry, I did short Bitcoin when I woke up this morning. I took most of that. I closed out of that way before we're down here. So I'm not still in that short, annoyingly. I shorted Ethereum at 4,200. Good. Sorry, I shorted Ethereum at 4,200. And I took profit on that. Oh, you know what? This is just going to come down here, isn't it? Going to bounce. That's okay. Ethereum's looking fine. I shorted EOS when it came up to the monthly level. So I took this short here on EOS, and I shorted BNB. This was a few days ago. I shorted BNB like I think it was this one, this high, which was this high. I'm still holding that because I've not been invalidated on that yet, although I might get invalidated on it, but fair enough. So I've only shorted 4 things recently. Everything else is longs. Just looking for dips and then buying dips. That's basically everything else I've done. My favorite pair to trade is Chili's USDT. Made hella bank on that pair. Love Chili's. Yeah, Chili's is cool. There's someone else called Luke in here. Hello, someone else called Luke. I'm also called Luke. Good to meet another Luke. Welcome. That environmental effects of mining is bullshit. Most people, organizations mining use renewable energy to reduce power costs. Myself being one of those people. Nice. We have another Luke in here, and he mines Bitcoin. And yeah, like, it's nonsense. It's a news event that's being driven to cause a capitulation. Simple. Vitalik's trending again now, and Shiba Coin's trending. My mouse is breaking. This JSOS guy's weird, but yeah. This dip is being bought. I want to look at. Come on, Exo, load. Exo's overloaded. Its servers are down. Again, Exo can't handle any volatility. It's worse than Binance. Sorry, Exo, but your servers suck. Upgrade your servers, Exo charts, please. Your servers suck. There we go. Okay. Trap traders at the lows. Let's look at this. Put it on 100 tick so we can see what's actually going on. And how many trap traders do we have at the lows? We have... Whoops. 100 and... Oh no, 17 million. Actually not many. Not many on Bybit. Yeah, not many. There wasn't... So the selling all came here on this candle. So we had those two candles, 66 and 53 million sold. It's not a lot at all, actually. So Bybit didn't really... This must have been on BitMEX. So there was $1 billion, wasn't there, that was put onto BitMEX earlier. Which was probably Elon. Let's see how much he sold. Let's see how much Elon sold to cause like barely anything. 28 million. Yeah, no, there's not been a lot of volume on that. Forming bullish CVD at these lows, so everyone's still trying to short this. So this is where we're going to get more traders trapped here at the lows. We have open interest has fallen off of a cliff. That is nice. We have longs falling off of a cliff. That is nice. Well, not really. This could still come down quite a bit further, actually. Like, possibly. If it really does want to reset, this can still come down quite a lot further. Open interest is still really high. Longs and shorts, whatever. I don't really care for what that's saying. Can't even use the scroll on my mouse at the moment. I'm getting my new computer on Friday. Celebrate. Yeah, I think we're going down further. Yeah, again. Yeah, here we go. So this is well, we'll see. We'll see what happens, but it's not really a lot that's been wiped off the open interest. We've had a move from 2.3 to 2.28 billion. It's nothing. Not enough people liquidated yet. That's the point. Yeah. I think there needs to be a lot more liquidations for this to reverse. So now let's watch everyone get liquidated. But it is forming really big CVD here. So I don't know. Ryan Paul Young, I just smashed the like button. Okay, I did it. Thank you. All right, everyone. We still need to get this up to 100 likes. We still need to get this stream up to 100 likes, please. That would be really nice. So anyone who has not yet clicked the like button, click the like button, please. Oh, it's trying to hold here. It is trying to hold here. I think we're about to lose this level, and this coming half an hour before the daily, yeah, I think we're getting a move much, well, not much lower, but a fair bit lower now. Here we go. Let's watch the liquidations. Let's watch the liquidations. Anything? Not yet. JP Lau, can you please show us how you spot trap traders? I will do. At the moment, there haven't really been any. There wasn't that many traders shorting at the lows here or selling at the lows here, which is, again, why we're seeing this move down. XO charts will be a pain in the ass. It won't want to load. Here we go. What we want to see is like a really big drop off in open interest, and one that actually means something, and we want to see a lot of selling. If this bounces here, it'll be really boring because it's not liquidated anyone. Like, Captain Walker on Discord, Ryan Paul Young. Nice, good to have you in the stream. This would be really boring if it bounces here. But we would have hit the daily, wouldn't we? Whoops, sorry, did I just move my screen? So we've hit that daily level. So again, this is now, it's still technical, which is why we're still not seeing any kind of, there's not been any capitulation yet. This is still all very technical. So we had a bounce from our 618. We had a bounce from our 1-to-1 extension, and we had a bounce from our daily level. So this is still very technical. But I don't think that's it. I do think we're probably coming down lower. With this being this close to the daily close, I do think we're going down lower now. Like if it bounces here, it's boring. Really boring. I'm not shorting this anymore. Like I haven't been shorting this since like earlier today. But yeah, not shorting this, but also not longing it yet, because there's not been anywhere near enough of a capitulation on this. This is why when price was here, as soon as I saw it, as soon as I saw this move down, because we lost a technical level, abort. Okay, as soon as we lost this level, abort. Get out. Do not be stuck in a trade at this level. Okay? Big message. Big message for everyone. We lost this level, abort. And that was here, okay? So everyone should have got out of this here. This was your invalidation if you were taking any longs. You should have been out of that trade. If you're not, if you weren't out of that trade and you've been in a long from up here or anywhere up here, then it's one of those tough lessons, because since I said that we've moved down another 4%, and we're going to move down lower than that still, I think, today. Anything below this level is now capitulation. It won't be technical anymore. This is like the technical support. The next technical support we have is at 49k. Do we have any point of controls? Actually, what I want to do is everyone today gets a sneak peek at the trading update sheet that I give to members. I don't think I have any naked point of controls this low down. No, this is all like stuff if you're in a range. If we're in a range, so we knew we had this 80% setup, which was bearish for today. We were looking at 55. Well, we were looking for 54,991.5. We hit that. We are below the range value area low. We lost key support 55k, and that's when you get out of your trades or get out of your longs. Wrong thing. Okay, now we can capitulate. Come on. So what we should see now is like an acceleration to the downside and some liquidations, like lots of liquidations. So we want to see lots of liquidations. When we start to see that, then it's a sign that the low could be in. So now we're going to liquidate everyone that was long here. I say we. I'm not part of this. Don't blame me. I'm not shorting Bitcoin. I'm just saying what I think's happened. So there's 1.5 million liquidated. It's not very much. Still not very much. We want to see like hundreds of millions. And then I'll take a long. So at this stage, I'm just going to watch it on this, because we know there's not really any technical levels that we need to be looking for until like there's going to be 50k, but really 49k. So now it's going to accelerate. We're getting more people shorting it. Still not many liquidations. So it's going to go lower. It's going to keep searching lower. People still selling this at market. Like big traders selling this at market now. Now it's okay, accelerating. There's 7.7 million sell there. So we know we had a lot of technical support up here. So now all of those people, so market makers are looking to liquidate all those people. That's 3.6 million liquidated. Still not enough. Still not a massive amount of liquidations. There's a few more. We might get a little bounce here. Still not enough volume. Someone's just sent me yeah, this point of control would be nice. So we do have this point of control. Again, technical. When it's a capitulation kind of event like this, yeah, 50k. It's just below 50k. So I'm not worried about the technicals anymore. The technicals are done. It's now looking at its volume. So there will be a level that this bounces from at some point, and you'll probably be able to find a level for that. Like, if this bounces, I don't think it will. I think we probably come and maybe backtest this. It still doesn't look like it's enough volume for me to say this is a low. But if this does change market structure again, then yeah, maybe it was. But this doesn't look like super aggressive. And I want to see it like really aggressive. I want to see just horrible. We 20 minutes left, so I guess we might still get a close like above here. Like, really, this was the daily that I had to close above. It's not going to get that, but it might get this. So we might get a daily close above this, which then just is kind of boring again, because then it makes it like we've filled all the inefficiencies in the chart. So you filled everything. So this move down, then the move up. So yeah, you've got single prints within this. But it only needed to come basically as far as this breakdown point. Oops, sorry. As that breakdown point. So we have hit that again, technical. Not. J1, thanks a lot, mate. Yeah, hopefully this is helping a lot of people who might not really know what's going on here. So yeah, again, if anyone, I've pinned the link to our Discord group in the chat here. So if anyone would like to come and learn, if you're not, yeah, if you're new to trading, anything like that. How low is the estimate low target for BTC? See, I'd really like to see it come down to 49. Yeah, so we've hit the value area high of the lower range. We've hit this high here, which was the first little breakdown before we printed all these single prints. So we filled all the inefficiencies within the chart. That's done. We do have the point of control of this range here, but it still like feels too easy, or too just calm. I'm saying that after a 10% move to the downside, but it doesn't feel like a low. has been put in yet. Like there's no trap traders here or anything like that. It's just, yeah, people are going to be going, oh, there's like 15 million trap traders at the low. It's nothing. It's nothing. We want to see big liquidations for a really good low that you could just go market in long. This stuff is like you're just trying to guess at each little bounce. But there's an attempt to push this higher up now. But if that was the low, then it's kind of boring. XO's being slow as usual. It would be a boring low if that is the low. But it's also pretty low risk to what I wanted to do was see a load of liquidations and then mark it in on a really large sized order right at the bottom. Like that. Of course you want to do that, but if we had like properly capitulated tonight, it would have been really obvious. Like you'd have seen like loads of like just a ton of liquidations. We've only had like 11.3 million longs liquidated in the last hour. It's really nothing, nothing major at all. I'd say ETH has probably had, well, no, maybe not, because ETH is still doing all right. Oh, just load, XO. Ugh. So this daily is an important level. So that is this daily here. Basically, what we have now is a really awful head and shoulders here and a really awful inverse head and shoulders here. Which one wins? Both of them have a really bad neckline that has been breached. So take your pick. Do you want to have the crappy head and shoulders or the crappy inverse head and shoulders? You can trade either of them, but neither of them will work. This is interesting. We would have also hit the 100 daily moving average today as well. So that's now been hit. So a close above there. Actually, well, yeah. You know what? You guys are going to hate me for saying this is a target. But 42k is a target that we could hit overnight. That would be a real capitulation. And that would be when you're like long everything. So this looks realistic for me for like the first time now. If we do not get... I don't think it happens today, but this does look realistic for the first time, like, ever. I don't think this isn't like the most likely scenario, by the way. But we've dropped. We've dropped 15%. So what's another 15%? We've already done that today, or almost. And that's a 35% correction. If you get a 36% correction, that's really nice. Yeah. And that ends alt season. If we get this, then it's going to be a rotation back into Bitcoin, I think, at that point. So if Ethereum gets this rejection here, if it comes back below this monthly level, I think it's over for Ethereum. But at the moment, it's holding it, so that's fine. But everyone who's basically, because Ethereum pumped as Bitcoin was dumping, loads of people would have FOMO'd into Ethereum thinking it's going to continue going higher and higher and higher and higher. And what I think is probably going to happen is we're going to lose this monthly. And if we lose this monthly, I'm shorting it. So I will short Ethereum if we lose this monthly. And then I think Bitcoin will move up. So I'm going to do the opposite. What I'm looking to do is, I think I do think Ethereum might be done here. So with Ethereum, it kind of had that capitulation to the upside. Didn't even break dollar. It came right into resistance and made that lower high. And I think we're now going to break down. I missed the chance to short that, which would have been a really nice short. If I wasn't streaming, I would have shorted it. But yeah, I missed that. It basically stopped out shorters and from here earlier. Yeah. But yeah, Ethereum done. And I think we come back down here. So 30% correction on Ethereum. If Bitcoin also dumps, ideally I'd want it back down there. I want $2,500 Ethereum again. And I do think we'll see it again. All right, so we're rolling over again. So now let's see what happens if this doesn't hold. If it does start to roll over again. XO charts are still frozen. JP low, 42k target. What's a CC? I've never heard of that term before. There's nothing in the book that you will ever hear called a CC. It's I know what you mean. The 618/65/66. CC. Golden pocket, whatever you want to call it. We do have a golden pocket down there. I got that ETH short, took profits already. Nice. I missed it because I'm too busy talking to all you guys. Oh, Litecoin's being hammered. Wow. Yeah, that one didn't work, did it? But yeah, like I was saying, I never had chance to take that trade. So don't worry, I wasn't in that trade. I never had chance to take it. This was if it reclaimed the daily, and it clearly did not. I'd really like to see Litecoin come down to $274 here. That would be very nice. Link. Still holding. P is going to get his link at $40 maybe. That would be very nice. If we do get $40 link, then I will buy some. I really wanted $56 link before we did drop. Are we dumping again? Yes, we are. Okay, now let's watch it. And now let's get ready for a good long. So we have a technical level at. We've just hit. Eh? No, we've already been there. Oh yeah, we're just back above it. Boring. Still boring. Okay, capitulate. We're gonna get 50k. Just accelerate. ETH will hit 7k maybe this summer. I think after Bitcoin tops out, ETH will hit 10k. I think we've probably topped out for now. Here we go. I think ETH's done. ETH has been done for a while. It's just been people just trying to get shorts. We probably do get a bounce at 50k. Senti, yeah, this is exactly what Bitcoin dominance needs. If we get like a proper capitulation here, like it could go down to 42k. I don't think it will. I think we probably bounce somewhere around 49, at least for today. I do think we probably bounce somewhere around 49k. I'm sorry, I'm just here with my phone because I'm getting ready to take a trade. All I really care about is just watching liquidations now because we're not at technical levels. I know where the technical levels are. When I see a reaction, I'll take a trade. I don't need exo charts for that. I don't want to look at exo charts for that. So we've just gone below 50k. Good, still no bounce. Down to 49. 10 million liquidated long. Good, good, good. More. 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 Almost. There we go. That was not bad. Keep it going. I would look at exo charts, but I just don't trust it to keep working. I think it's probably going to be crashing again now. More liquidations. 49k. Okay, now we're getting some good buying. A little bit. So we could be seeing a low around here. Okay, there's 49k. We've gone below that. We're going off of the chart. Come on. Let me see what's going on here. Let me see where we are. Still going. Still going. Volume. Give me volume. More liquidations. More 10 million liquidations. Okay, this is good. That's good. Now see some buying. Let's see some buying. Let's see if that is, can reclaim 49. There's a bit of green. That might be it. That might be, okay, good buys coming in now. Okay, I'm in a long. I've got in a long around like 48,800. Yeah. I don't know if it's the low yet. Did we hit anything? Hit the weekly and the trend line. This will do. I might just hold this here. It's scaling in. At this point, if we lose this, I do think we go down to 42k, probably tonight. So this is the low now that has to hold. So yeah, I'm happy with that. See if this can hold. So yeah, it's just come back down to basically where I longed it. It's not that much volume still. Nah. Lower, maybe? Yeah, let's not have that anymore. Okay, now let's go lower. Managing this trade as it happens. I was stopped out of that, by the way. I did take a bit of profit. Okay, this looks better. Now everything's overloading. Now we're getting volume. It's the end of the bull market, guys. My computer can't keep up. This is what I ordered a new computer today. This computer can't keep up with it. I think we're putting in a low now. Whatever happens, this is going to happen. My computer is going crazy. So there is serious volume coming in right now because the fans are going nuts. Just want to see some buying, you know. Oh, loads of liquidations. So we're up to 100 million liquidated longs. So we've 10 times more liquidated longs than we had like just a minute ago. New daily open. Didn't even realize that. It's taken these lows. 42k. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It might not do it. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, building a swing position here would be pretty great. Let's just, you know what? I don't think I'm in any other trades now. Yeah, so my accounts are good. So I did just buy a little bit at 46,400. And this is now just swing long position. If we go down to 42k, I'll just keep scaling in. I do not mind. I will keep scaling in. This looks really... This is volume now. So there's definitely a fight. Yeah. Levels on my chart. Do we have anything? Whoops. So I am long again. And this long I'm holding now. Even if we come down to 42k, I'm cool with that. I deleted this weekly off of my chart. I have no idea why. That was a silly thing to do. So yeah, I'm not too bothered about watching this now because I'm fine with where things are at. Back to doing some TA. Let's buy some stuff. Let's buy some stuff. Let's see where Litecoin's at. I'm happy. Seriously, Ethereum just does not want to give up. Litecoin, did it come $300? Yes. Yes. I've had this USDT on the... Yes! Link, $40. Yes. P, you got Link at $40. And I'm getting it too. $40 Link in the bag. $40 Link in the bag. $40 Link in the bag. If we go lower, I don't care. I bought myself some $40 Link. Even though it was like $6 a few months ago. $40 is good. What else do I want? $300 Litecoin. $310 Litecoin now. In the bag. In the bag. If we get this, then that's even better. This is spot right now. I'm not taking leverage positions. I'm just buying spot. I just had so much US dollars that I just taken off. What else do I want? What else do I want? What else do I want? Oh, poor little Ave. It was doing so well, and now... Oh, right, no, it's a new day, of course. Acropolis. In the bag. Yes, please. Bounce off the monthly again. You're holding that. Happy days. Acro. This can be a... Acro. Oh, I wish I wasn't streaming because I want my exchange open, but it will kill my stream. Where did this come on to in the USDT? Yep, I'll have some of that. Cardano. Yes, please. Never hit this. That's annoying. I will add to my Cardano long then. Trading on my phone is so annoying. Oh my gosh. Link, cool. Bought Link. Happy. Let's buy more. Let's buy more Link. Don't give a shit where it's at now. 42, that's still good enough. Let's buy more DOT. I hope this is interesting for everyone. Seeing what's going through my crazy brain. Oh, DOT, yes, look where that came. DOT. Oh, nice. So you just got to be patient and you get the dip. You get to buy the dip. We all got to buy the dip. And this is where we long. Well, where I longed. I'm not buying any more ETH. ETH's done. I mean, I could long. Actually, no. You know what? Let's buy a little bit of ETH because I did sell so much of it. Yeah, let's buy a little bit of ETH. 340% profit Bitcoin. Average entry 46499. Nice. 330% profit. This is cross, by the way. Like obviously I'm not in that much profit yet. Okay. We'll see if EXO works again in a minute. EOS. Not interested. ETH. Shut up, ETH. Carver. That's what I wanted to buy. Some more of. Carver. Another little bit of Carver. KSM, yes. Yes, more. More. Actually, you know what? I'm going to let that run. Because I don't trust the BTC pair so much on that. It's already really high. So I'm just going to hold that. Lit? Luna. Luna never came back in. Oh, you know what? Luna is good. Did I get any of that? Matic, no. Make it no. Neo, no. Neo. No. No. OMG. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, OMG is expensive now. 5x. Cross. Not that much. That much. Oh, this is what I was looking at yesterday. I really like this chart. Does anyone know if one is any good? I never took that trade, but I was looking for it. Coinbase Pro is down. What a surprise. Yeah, the low's in, I think, guys. That's why I'm buying alts. I'm just chilling now. Happy to just watch what happens. Reef. I'm really impressed with Reef. I was not expecting it to hold this level, so I'm buying. I didn't take the trade on it yesterday, but I'm buying some today. Because fair play, Reef, you deserve to be bought. Just spot. I have money, I have funds ready to allocate. And that is what I am doing. This is why you sell to USDT when price is high. Because then when you get opportunities like we've had tonight, you can buy loads of stuff. And buying loads of stuff means you can get more profit on loads of stuff. If it starts to go up. Ren looks nice. RLC looks nice. That's not a monthly open anymore. That's a stupid thing to say because I have no idea what RLC is. But whatever it is, that's a really good dip. Although I prefer down here. No, I'm waiting for RLC to come down here. So not buying that. That can go away. RSR, yes. Buy RSR every time I have any opportunity to buy RSR. I will buy RSR. I like RSR a lot. Can you tell? So I will buy more RSR. There. Raven. That's nice. Buying Raven. That's a really good risk to reward on that one. So this will be a leverage trade. At this stage, I don't even know why these levels are on my chart. But if I see levels, I don't know how old it is, but this is what I do. With altcoins, I trade Bitcoin really seriously, and I think I've explained and demonstrated that I trade Bitcoin really seriously over this stream. But altcoins, I'll just ape into. I don't care. These are just quick trades in and out in a day or two. If something comes down to a support level, I will now look at what that is. Yeah, it's the high of its previous range. Sweet, that's cool. I'm happy. Yeah, come down to range lows on Binance. Sand looks nice. I bet SXP looks really good. Solana still in that trade. SRM still in that trade. Am I in that trade? Bart D, I guess we bottomed out. I think we probably did. I'm not looking at Bitcoin right now, because I got into the position that I wanted to, and I am happy with that. Yes, SXP all day long. SXP, get in my wallet. All day long. We came down where I wanted it to go. Yes. What was I saying on the stream yesterday? Where did I want it to go? We are there. That spot. Tomo. Nice, nice. TRB's nice. Still got some more funds to allocate. Still got a bit more left. VeChain, you beauty. Waves. XLM, no, I'm not going to touch that. XMR. Monero looks really good, but it's too slow for me. There's 40% potential upside on this. 50%. I think I've got time to decide on Monero. I probably will trade Monero. I probably will take a long on this because that's really just easy risk to reward. And Monero moves slow, so you have so much time to think about what you want to do on Monero. But yeah, that looks good. That's if you'd like trading against BTC. Hit $50. Took the lows. Come up, take lows. Where's Bitcoin? Yes, there we go. If you didn't buy Bitcoin at the lows, you should have bought that dip. Sorry, I should have been watching that. Sorry, guys. If you come into this area of where there was a bit of indecision here, my fault. Should have bought that here. But I also have to make sure that like I'm a trader, so that should be your job to recognize these things, not mine. YFI looks good. Oh, it feels so good to be able to buy a dip like this. 0x looks like really nice. Really nice. 0x get in my wallet. No. Yeah. 1,000. Two. Yep. Almost at the end. Okay, I'm at the end. 1 inch looks really good. RV still looks really good. Zero X Acro. So longs I'm in now. 0x Acro, Reef, Carver, RSR, Ren, Tomo, Luna. Oh, that didn't get stopped out. Luna still. I thought I'd been stopped on that. Serum, BZRX, RV, Raven, Sol, OMG, SXP. 15. 15 positions that I have to now manage. I don't think I have to manage them much, to be honest. And that's not including the stuff I've just bought at spot. Did we have a nice dip on quant? No, we did not. Oh, I want to buy more of this. You have a nice dip on NewBXT. No, we did not. Have a nice dip on HTR? Yes. Yes, we did. HTR. It's like long-term holds now. Buy me some more HTR. I need to sell some shitcoin. Is NRG, is that any good? I've got some NRG. I don't know if I really want it. I mean, I'm in profit. Yeah, you know what? I'll keep it. I'll keep it for that chart. XHV, I'll keep. Your GPU frying like chips. I know. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I'm getting a new computer on Friday. Sorry, just having Binance in the background and stuff. The Atomic Wallet has suspended exchanges due to requests. What key level would you now like BTC to reclaim? 5150. But honestly, like I think we're okay. Like we get a close above this week. Well, we haven't got a close above this weekly. Obviously, we've come back down below. Where is our daily close actually? Out of interest. Shit, no, our daily close is really good. This all happened after the close, so we had that close above the weekly. Like happy with that. That's fine. And oh man, what was I saying? That I can't believe the MACD traders won. The MACD traders actually got the 49k move. What was I saying? If you're trading based off of the MACD today, you need to have a move below 49k or you're not getting anything out of that trade. And they got it. Fair play. Anyone who traded the MACD today, yesterday, fair play to you. We have MACD divergence. Like, realistically, we're going to have to get a close below this weekly at some point. So I don't think we V-shape up. I do, like, for this divergence to play out, there had to be closes below. Because that's how it works. But it's good enough. So we now do have divergence on the daily. Bullish divergence on the daily. It's not the best because it didn't get a close below it. If we got a close below it, it would have actually been better. But we do now have divergence. Is 3k vet enough? You tell me. I don't know. This video has been viewed already today 2,282 times. This stream. Whoops, click the wrong thing. Who's buying Pube Finance? Should I crack open a beer? It's like 1:30 in the morning. Got to just check up on everyone. Okay, sorry again for my GPU. I should probably just turn my camera off because that's why it's frying, isn't it? Hold on, let me just turn my camera off because it doesn't need to be on. I think that's just affecting my GPU. I have the oldest, crappiest GPU in the world, but I'm getting a new computer on Friday, and I sold it. Sold my Bitcoin at the top to buy it. So now I've just got that computer at a 20% discount. I bought my computer at a 20% discount because I sold Bitcoin to buy it. Happy. And then I just bought it back. I bought back what I sold. Happy. Nice little dip. Happy dip. Crypto Prince, your average entry is 48.2k. That's fine. If you got an entry anywhere within anywhere within this wick right now, it's good. Anywhere below the weekly, if you got an average entry anywhere below 49k, we'll probably just chop around a bit. We're gonna probably put in a bit of a range again here now. But honestly, that's not bad. I'd hold that. Not financial advice. Oh God, I've got so many lines on my chart now that I need to clean up. What's important? Not that. That is not important at all. Oh, wait. No, that is important. That's the weekly. That's very important. That's not important. Huh? When we started the stream, we were here. We were here when we started the stream and we were like, oh, did it swing failure pattern? No, this is... And we thought this might be the low. I can remember, we thought this might be the low, and I was looking at alts. And then I looked at EXO and I saw that there was nobody trapped and it was pathetic and it was weak and there was no aggression. And then we just waited and we got a really nice entry. Did that feel like we waited 13%? It felt like it was just a couple of percent different to me. Wow. We just witnessed a big old move. And it was really fun. Okay. Yes, Anna. Yes, Anna has traded this like a champ. Not... That word's stupid. It's so annoying that I can't use that word. Because she did trade it like a champion, but not like a champion, but like an actual champion. Just blindly bought alts, but a little underwater on BTC, average entry 50k. Do you guys think LTC will go lower past 310? I want to buy more, but the news is still kind of fresh. Crushed it, but buy a bit on the CPU sucks. Locked me out and I had to switch between accounts on phone. Missed the bottom on BTC. Yeah, trading on phone is shit. That was a really, really, really nice dip, everyone. 42k, we never got it, but let's leave it on the chart because hey, if yeah, the low's in. We capitulated and now we go to all-time highs. Let's go to all-time highs. Jaffa, 263%. My long's now 667%. Happy. You got 200 more to spend. I got 200 more to spend by Zil, Atom, and Vet. Yeah. I need to actually look at what the new shit is that's on Binance Futures because I want to trade some of the new shit. Atom looks really good. I've never taken a long on Atom. I've only ever shorted it. Like only ever shorted Atom in like, and they've been really, really nice shorts every time. I've never ever taken a long on Atom. And I don't think I would up here. Yeah. Bow. That's one that was like really nice. Maybe I buy more bow. Yeah. Bow's going in there as well. Oh, my long's only it's down to 600%. How much available balance do I have? Plenty. Oh yeah, I turned my camera off. Hello again. I'm still here. How long have I been streaming for? 2 hours, 20 minutes. We saw the whole dip. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, we're at 88 likes. Are we ever going to get it to 100 likes? 100 likes, come on. Anyone who's just joined, I know the chat is... I probably need to change the title of the stream now. Edit. Can I change the title of the stream while it's streaming? And maybe that will get more people in. Emergency. Tesla suspends Bitcoin payments. BTC capitulation, Tesla news, buy the dip. Let Tesla. Need keywords. I didn't put any tags on this video. That's probably not helped me. I just tried to do it really quickly. If I'd have actually put tags on my video, I would have had so many more viewers. What will Asia do? Nothing. Asia already dumped it. Bitcoin crashing. So just adding some tags. Is the bull market over? I need to add long tags that people will see if they type it. Is the bull market over? No, of course it's not. But people will be searching that. Tesla. What did Tesla do? Suspends Bitcoin payments. Bitcoin news today. Bitcoin price prediction. Bitcoin tech. Best alts to buy. Sorry, let's watch price. back above 50k. Nice. Nudge. You, sir, are a legend. Hands down the best analysis on YouTube. Saved my life tonight. Thank you, Luke. Thank you so much. That's what we try and do here. We just trade the charts and no emotion. Just don't get overexposed. Know where your invalidations are. Trade calmly. And when we get moves like today, just wait. Just stay patient. It always happens. If we get a capitulation move, this will always happen. And we saw it happen. We saw it happen. We saw the liquidations come in. We saw 100 million liquidations at the lows. That's nice. Yeah. That's nice. I'm just changing the name of the stream. I hope this doesn't crash the stream. There we go. Changed the name, added some tags. What is Nano doing? I've got a nice bag of Nano. Is Nano doing something good? I really hope it is doing something good. Please be doing something good. Yeah, it's doing something good. Look. Where did it bounce? Technical analysis. Where did it bounce? Off the level. I have a big old bag of Nano that I'm ready to sell to people when they FOMO into it. Thank you for 500 subs finally. Should I get in something right now or it's late? The low was an hour ago, or no, the low was half an hour ago. We're half an hour into the day. There's going to be there's going to be dips again to buy. Algo. I didn't buy Algo. See, if I'm still looking to buy stuff. So yeah, it's not too late. I think at the moment Bitcoin, if you didn't get the low, it's a bit low risk, but man, does some alts look good right now. Seriously good. Algo is one of them. I sold so much stuff a few days ago. I'm so happy. So happy to be able to buy stuff again. Really happy to be able to buy stuff again. Yes. You helped me a lot with timing on buying the dip. Thanks, dude. Thank you. All right. Thanks for this beauty of a stream. Subscribed. Activated post notifications. Thanks a lot, mate. Thank you. It's really warm in here. I'm opening the door. My computer is just yeah, absolutely frying itself. I'm trading on some like crappy old Mac. And I'm getting a new computer on Friday. I have spent my profits wisely and bought a new computer at what is now a 20% discount because I sold the Bitcoin yesterday to buy the computer. And then I just was in a short, and now I'm in a long, and I've paid for that computer. I've just paid for that computer that I bought at a 20% discount because I bought it today. Yeah. Yeah. Joan Ortiz size, thank you so much. Thank you. What are the specs on the new computer? P, are you in the chat? I don't know if you are. What are the specs on the new computer? Let me have a look. I'm really bad on PCs. I haven't had a PC for like 10 years. Ah. Huh? Just check my emails. I had a margin call on my TRB trade because I must have had that in isolated. But I didn't get the liquidation call, so that's all right. TRB. If I had it on isolated, I really don't care if I get liquidated. Ooh. A dip below that and reclaiming this monthly would be so good. Yeah, sorry, what was I looking at? Specs of the computer. Just want to check this TRB trade, make sure I'm still in it. If not, I need to get back in it. TRX looks really nice. Tron looks really nice. Tron looks really nice. Keep repeating. Tron looks really nice. It does look really nice. VJ, what a bounce. TRB. Oh no, yeah, it did go. That did get liquidated. Never mind. Some of these are ones that I took on the stream yesterday, and some of them I just put it in isolated mode on like 20x or something. Just see if it works. This one didn't. Clearly didn't work. But I do like what the chart's doing, and we've had a nice dip, so I'm buying that back. Serum's coming up. Sol, sorry, is coming up to target already. Serum, shit, that looks so good. I'm still buying stuff. So anyone who's like, it's not financial advice, but I am just adding a little bit of size to some positions that are just really safe already, or ones that didn't really get affected by the dip. I'm just adding a little bit to them. Because what we've got now, if this is the low, basically what we'll have now, is I do think a lot of alts are probably done. I think a lot of alts have probably topped out. BNB, ETH, possibly. If this is the low, I don't know if it is. Like, we could still come down to 42. That's still an area. I'd be happy if we do, but I think what we come up now is have a range, and we still will have alt season will still continue if we do put in a range back up within this old range. So if we do get a move back up above 51,500, happy with that. Alt season will continue, and then I think Bitcoin, if we put in another range here now, and we don't come up and then get an immediate rejection and start losing support. So if we do hold 51.5 or 52k and hold 52k as support, I think we see all-time highs, and that's when alt season will be over, because that's when Bitcoin like really goes for it. But I think we've probably got like another couple of weeks of alt season, maybe, if so right now I see like one of two scenarios. We either come up, I think we probably do come up, back up back up above 52k, and this might just like drop down and then come back up, I don't know. But in time, I do think we come back up above 52k. I do think these lows are safe for now. At that point, I think we'd need this to hold. If it doesn't hold, then we look for 42. If it does hold, then we look for the highs of the range. And at that point, all-time highs. I think it's really quite simple now, what Bitcoin's probably going to do. I got match. Wait, do you stream every day? Is this your streaming hours? JP, I don't stream every day. But if you look on the I don't know if you've joined, but if you haven't joined the Discord server, please do, because everyone will be notified. So I make videos every day. So every morning I do an update on, so you can watch any of my videos. I do make videos every day on YouTube. You'll be alerted every time one of these goes off. You'll also be constantly shown any analysis that I have throughout the day. Oh, wow. Yeah, so you can see this is what I tried to trade today. I wanted to take this long and I wanted it to reclaim. Nope. As soon as we lost that, stay out of it. Got the short. I think at one point I said, because I took a short and then it looked really good. Yeah. Did you take this trade? I took a similar one, almost got stopped out, but not feeling so confident in it. This is what I'm really annoyed about, because I closed this and it would have been such a nice short. I said I did, but I've already closed it. Daily open seems to be holding, and it's failed twice to get acceptance since yesterday's value area. I have a feeling this daily open may hold and we might flip the VWAP, but we'll have to wait and see. Like, I was in that trade and I could have traded that all the way down. I did have a trade from up here. This was my swing. But I did get another scalp and I could have traded that one down as well. But we bought the dip and the swing trade worked out nicely. So happy. happy. No, like what I was saying about like alt season is I think a capitulation move like this probably does enough damage to a lot of alts to stop them making new highs. So Ethereum, for example, I think will struggle again to get back to this high. I do think Ethereum's just been a bit... okay, no, Ethereum still looks strong. Certain things I don't know, actually. No, I still think alt season can continue as long as Bitcoin ranges here, at which point alt season will end if Bitcoin makes a new all-time high, because people will just rotate out of alts back into Bitcoin, and that's that. Alt season will probably also end if we... No. Yeah. At some point, it's when Bitcoin makes a new all-time high, which I do think could possibly happen next. I think... Do I think we'll get all-time high before we get or 42k? I either see price doing this and then all-time high, or price doing this and then all-time high. Something along those lines. The range thing keeps alt season going for longer. This will capitulate alts and then get a bounce. Link up 11% already. Yes. Oh. I didn't buy anywhere near as much as I would have done if I was just trading this and not streaming. Also, just so you guys know, if anyone would like to donate to the stream and donate to the channel, then I do have links below. So please do check the description below, and you can see how you can donate, either in crypto or via PayPal to the channel. Yeah, please do join the Discord community, which is pinned to the chat. And I also have my website on the chat, but I'm still building that. Like, this is still a very new community, guys. If you are new here, still a very new community. But we have Toros Crypto. We do have our website. And if you sign up to our website, you can subscribe. Which is weird, because this button normally says subscribe. But it's not saying subscribe right now. But you can see our daily trading updates with a daily video. My ideas for the trades. And a daily trading update sheet that gets posted every day. Wayne, do you think energy renewal fees will kill BTC and ETH? No. Not at all. Never. It's a load of nonsense. Tesla bought the dip. They don't care about... No. Energy will not kill Bitcoin. It's a load of nonsense. It's all going to go to green energy anyway. So it's fine. Yeah. Do you have any price targets for Nano or holding long? I've got no price targets. It's just a bag of Nano that I've had for a couple of years. I'll sell it when it gets really, really high, or I'll hold it to zero. I don't really care. Tron price prediction 2021. Should I give you a price prediction for Tron? Because I do think Tron looks good. I can't believe I'm saying bloody Tron just in Sun coin nonsense looks good. I actually told my dad to buy some Tron the other day, and it almost... Why did I tell him that? But Tron looks insanely good. Like, this is going to melt faces. very soon, I do think. We're having a nice bit of a dip down on Bitcoin, maybe. Oh no, not much. A little bit. Don't know if I've got enough alt exposure here. Tron of Justin Sun. Yeah, price prediction for Tron. don't take any of this seriously. It'll be a load of nonsense. I think that Tron will go up. Okay, so this is immediate future. No, let's say. I think we can probably hit 200% move up. So 200% up from here. It's not actually that good, to be honest. It's not. I think it's pretty likely we hit 25 cents. Almost certainly going to hit 25 cents on Tron fairly soon. Not financial advice. What program is it that you keep checking the volumes? This one. No, sorry. This one is AgriTrade. AGGR.trade. Whoops. AGGR.trade. Yeah, that won't work as a link. Just put the HTTPS in front of it or whatever. Why didn't I just do this? Stupid. Remove that. Will it let me remove that? Oh, bloody hell. My computer is really struggling. I can't wait to get the new computer. Message retracted. I just banned my own message. Whoops. There we go. That's the actual link. And then I use EXO charts as well. And you can learn how to use this. If you do not already know how to use it, you can learn how to use this. If you are part of the Discord, we do trade off of these charts. So you'll see charts that look something like this every day from myself and from other traders, and we use these a lot to take trades off of. What a fun evening. I'm out of water, and Luke, will you sell your alts when Bitcoin will make new all-time high? Yeah, the likelihood is I'm not going to be in any alts by then, because like everything should realistically have hit target. Like the way these markets work, it's not like, oh, everything will just be moving up until Bitcoin makes an all-time high. Like a lot of stuff will achieve an area, a nice area to sell. So I am expecting a lot of those things to. I'm probably expecting to sell a lot of those things while Bitcoin stays range bound. If of course we get that, like we could, I don't know, we could go into a bear market. We could get a massive, like this could just fail again here. We could start rolling over and we could go much lower. I don't think it's very likely, but it could do that. But yeah, I think most alts I'll sell if Bitcoin stays range bound and stays kind of within the area. Then that it is in, then yeah. I'm just talking nonsense. Sorry, I'm looking at the chart as well. Yeah, like the chances are I'm not going to have many alts left when Bitcoin makes a new all-time high. I'll probably have sold most of them during the range because they would have hit target. But any that I do still have will be for a reason. So Bitcoin can still, thing is, Bitcoin can still make an all-time high and go on another run, and some alts will still move with it, but it'll be much more selective. Like all of this, like alts were still pumping, like some. You had really nice alts that moved along with Bitcoin, that were doing really well, like outpacing Bitcoin, and we'll get that again. So that will continue to happen, but you just trade it as normal. Like a lot of stuff, it won't just be all alts go up, because Bitcoin dominance will increase once it makes a new all-time high. But yeah. A, B, C. We could still see this. We could still come to like 1414. So we still could see this, okay? I'm not getting like super bullish yet. If we're gonna do typical ABCD, we could still see this, or at the very least we could see 1.272, which just takes us down to these lows. But hey, we've taken the lows, so this could be an ABC. That was the high, actually, wasn't it? I think I'll be out of most spouts by the end of the summer. Yeah. Yes. I think I will be too. So like alts are really good. Alts are still a lot of fun to trade. And so many people are just sleeping on alts all the time. Like it's only been like the last week or two that like all these Bitcoin maxis have started to trade altcoins, and they're so late to the party, man. So late. Like all these people that are just like, oh, only trade Bitcoin. Bitcoin's the only thing you can trade because nothing else is technical. Bullshit. Alts trade really nicely. Alts are technical. Alts you can trade just as well as you can trade Bitcoin. I'm talking nonsense here. Sorry, guys. Band looks really good. I didn't think I bought any band. I've got to calm down with all these buying stuff. What I'll do tomorrow. So tomorrow night, and I probably need to go and get some bed in a minute. Tomorrow night we always have like a really fun like beer stream, so we just have like a load of beers and I invite people onto the Zoom call. We'll do some trading together, we have a load of drinks, we have a bit of a Friday night party. So tomorrow night we will be doing that, so please do join us for that. If anyone is watching who is within the group, your morning update might be a bit later. Your morning update might be slightly later tomorrow. I might have to get a decent sleep. And yeah, I think, yeah, just join us tomorrow night. We'll have a fun stream tomorrow night, and I think there'll probably be a lot of like nice trades to take, nice stuff we can talk about. Hopefully this whole dip is over by then. Like, it would be nice to have a Friday night where we can just have a really bullish weekend and be like crazy bullish. Um, if it does this, that will suck. But yeah, we'll wait and see. Um, I'm astonished. I'm so happy I got to see this tonight. When did you start trading? Did you study at Varsity? No, I got into Bitcoin in 2017. I just started trading it the same as anyone else. So I got interested in Bitcoin 2017, kind of around this time of the year when like after that first or during that first like alt season and that first like correction for Bitcoin, I saw Bitcoin do shit like this. And I was the person getting really scared at the lows from China banning Bitcoin and just nonsense like that, like we've had today, like bull market FUD. I was the person getting scared and possibly selling at these lows. And then because that kept on happening, I just started learning like what actually goes on in markets and learning about like the mechanics of markets and technical analysis, how everything, there's always a reason for what happens on the charts. Like, it's not, news has an effect because it helps accelerate things, and it helps to create capitulations and be able to liquidate people and things like that. But the charts are the main thing, and if you're on top of what's going on with the charts, then then you're going to be able to just stay much more relaxed in situations like this. Like we knew like this was going to have a move down. We didn't know it was going to be this strong. Like, that's pretty crazy. I was still thinking if it could hold this level, then we're going to make new all-time highs, but it didn't, and and at that point you capitulate, and it's fine. But yeah, I got into trading in 2017. I think during the bear market is when I got really interested in trading like properly, because I didn't know to sell when the top was in. So I got lucky. I had to sell some Bitcoin in December in 2018 just to buy a house. But all the rest of my assets like went down like 90%, again, same as everyone else. So then I learned to trade even more because I wanted to accumulate more for the next bull run. And then really like the thing that really like triggered me to be a full-time trader, which I am now, as I'm a full-time trader, is COVID. So if it wasn't for COVID, I wouldn't be doing this, which is kind of crazy. Like, COVID destroyed my normal work. I worked in music and it completely destroyed that. But yeah, I got really seriously into trading like every single day during COVID. I got wrecked on the COVID crash, like lost about 30% of all the stuff I'd worked really hard for like 4 years. Which again made me even more determined to do better trades. And then I knew my technical analysis was good, but my psychology wasn't there. So then I learned about that. And yeah, since then I've just been really calm with the charts, and that's what I like to do. So that's, yeah, basically my backstory of crypto. So I've been wrecked, like properly wrecked many, many, many times before I became profitable. And that happens to everyone. You will never meet a trader in your life who hasn't been liquidated like multiple times. If anyone tells you that they haven't, then they're lying. Just because you can't do it. Like, the only way to get good at trading is to make losses, repeatedly lose money, but have enough to stay in the game, and that's where risk analysis comes into it. So yeah, a little bit of a backstory. What's your bull run top prediction for BTC? Thank you for your work, mate. Really appreciate what you do. Thank you. So I've always said And I was saying this like back at when we were at like 10K, that I was looking for Bitcoin to top out between 180 to $220,000. Um, oh yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'd say 180 to 220 would be really nice. But I don't know. Like, you just trade it level by level, and that's the thing. I don't care. I honestly wouldn't care if the Bitcoin top was in. I wouldn't care one bit if the Bitcoin top was in, because you trade it. You just trade it. It doesn't matter what the level is. You just trade it. Because the thing is, if we get a move down to 42K, you can trade that and you can make money on the move up. If we get a rejection off of this daily or something, for example, you can short it and you can make money on the move down. I wouldn't really care. But I would like to see Bitcoin go up to about, I'd like to see it go over 100K. I'll definitely sell a lot when it gets there. And then I do think we can get the mania phase above 100K, where like your mum and dad will all be asking you about Bitcoin and stuff like that. Sam NG, how did you know it was the bottom? Any metrics to check? If you rewind, I don't know if you've been watching the whole time, but if you rewind the stream, then you'll see I was watching the bottom, and basically all I did at that point was I just wanted to see capitulation at the lows, and I wanted to see mass liquidations. So if you see like hundreds of millions of liquidations at the low, which is what we got, and then you see this like crazy, this is on a 10-second chart. This shit, like these wicks, massive volume, big volume coming in, wicks going crazy in both directions, massive orders being filled. Like, this was just capitulation. We had huge liquidations down here. And then you just kind of have a sense for it, and you have a sense that that's the low in. You could also check exo charts and just see what got trapped at the low, but exo charts is stupid and doesn't work during volatility. So I didn't need to do that. Yeah, basically I was just watching this, and we just saw that this looked like a low, and I was buying in this chop. So as this was chopping here, so you got loads of liquidations here. As this was chopping, that's when I was buying. I keep seeing 320K getting thrown around. I guess we see. Actually, you know, a new prediction. So here's my new prediction. What's Ethereum done? What did Dogecoin do? And what seems to be happening every time? What did Link do? Where does everything seem to top out this bull run? Is at 420. So we're going to go to $420,000. And that's when Elon Musk is going to sell at 420. $420,000. And ExoCharts is fucking stupid, man. No, I don't know. I'd be amazed. I'd be so happy to see Bitcoin above, even just above 100K will just be amazing. 180 will be even better. 220 will be even better. What is XA doing, man? We're going to have a shitload of single prints right now, okay? So we will have an area to backfill. My TPO chart is not working at all. They're literally dead. My TPO is completely dead. Hello. EXO is completely dead. Yeah, EXO's dead. Useless. So I guess XO froze here because it's not showing any transactions. So I guess all the exchange data was down, like on every single exchange, and there was no data being sent. So we don't actually know what happened at right at the lows. We can look at what happened at the actual low. Yeah, we got a massive gap there. This is going to show nothing really too interesting, I don't think. Oh, my mouse does not scroll. And my neck hurts. Lots. Some poor sod sold $1.6 million at the lows. Actually, wait, what? Saying some poor sod, like, big money is buying this heavy right now as well. So this is another way you can see the lows. Where is it? Oh, 5 million. No, thanks. Volume 20 million. This is another way you can see the lows. Is that the one? No. Here. Here. So you can see this heavy selling, and then it all lets up. So this is all selling here. So this is negative delta. It's all people selling, like heavy selling. And what retail have been trying to do, all the small traders have been trying to long this all the way down. And then they then they all get liquidated. They all get liquidated, okay? And then we have this chop, and again, this is what I was saying, we have this chop after the lows put in, and this is when selling just eases off. So all of this selling turns into buying at this stage, and then these are people buying over $500,000. So this area is only people buying over 500,000 all start buying, and retail for some reason are trying to sell this shit now. So smaller traders are then trying to sell this shit, and now finally everyone's on board and buying. If this screen starts to go white or red again, then you'd look for another move down. At this stage, this looks really good. We can see exactly how much was sold at the lows on Bybit anyway. So there was 85 million sold at the lows here. If we see who sold right at the low, and this could be just people selling into limits. It's market makers. Market makers do a lot of the selling. It's not like stupid people. Yeah. So just heavy selling at the lows, and then we got really good buying volume. Basically all the way up here. So this is when like people had confidence that this would be going higher, and we're just still in that range now. So I do think we can continue to squeeze higher here. I do think now like a V shape is on the cards. I do think this could like really come back up and then starts putting a range back up here, which would be really nice. I think it's quite unlikely now that we revisit the lows, and we probably just hold this level. So as long as Bitcoin is holding above here, too late to long, too early to short, misery. Yeah, the trade's not there at the moment, if you're not in one. No retest on this move up this time, 47.2. Okay. Like, yeah, we could still move down. So what we could still see is something like this. So we might see a move down before a move up. I don't know. We might see a move down before a bounce and then a move down and sweep the lows and move up. We might just see a range and then move up. It could do a lot of things at this stage. All we know is that that was a good trade. The next trade, I don't really know where that is right now. We got to wait for this to just chill out. So yeah, I'm just waiting for this to chill out. It seems very calm right now. And if I was to say like what I think is more likely, I do think we probably have a move up and we do reclaim this area and we put in a range back up here. That's like, that would be the healthiest scenario for the market here, which just shows that that low is just in and there's no danger of that being taken again anytime soon. As long as we're still below 51,500, that low could still get taken. So you have key resistance up here, and then you'd say key support at the moment down here. Reclaim this, and we look really good. I'd even say this just as support now. Hold this and we look good. So maybe a range between these two areas. Let's make that like, not red. Let's make it orange. Whoops, wrong one. There. Support resistance. Number 10 alts to invest until the end of the run. I made a video on that. Check my check my video on that. I have a bunch of, I have like a top 5 that I'm looking at as like long-term holds that are undervalued. RSR, Quant, BZRX, Acro, Upbots. Yeah, Acro, BZRX, Quant, RSR, Upbots. 5 that I did say, but there's loads. There's loads. They're just 5 that I chose to make a video on. And if you want to watch my video, it is in my channel. So watch it. Guys, I'm going to go to sleep now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope it made this move down a little bit easier for everyone. Yeah, I hope everyone survived the dip. I hope everyone managed, even if you didn't manage to buy the dip, if you survived it, then you trade another day and you're going to have some really nice trades tomorrow. There's going to be really nice trades the next day. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching, and I will be back online again tomorrow from around about 9 or 10 p.m. UK time. I will also be making a daily update video on Bitcoin tomorrow morning, I guess. It's 2:30 in the morning here. And I don't know if it really needs a morning update tomorrow because we know what's happening. But yeah, I will make a quick video on everything. Yeah, so thank you so much. Again, if you have not joined the Discord, please do come and join us. The link is pinned to the chat. And yeah, I'll see everyone tomorrow. Cheers, guys. Bye.